Welcome to Simple Delicious. In this episode, we'll be making an omelet for kids. This episode is also an excuse for me to try out my new phone mount. I can now cook with both my hands. Okay, let's cook. Here are the ingredients. A pat of butter and 1 egg. Hey kiddo, wanna help me make an omelet?
No.
Oh, wanna beat the egg?
Okay.
In a pan, melt the butter over medium-high heat. Pour in the egg. Using a fork or spatula, bring the sides of the egg to the center, creating some body for your omelet. Allow the egg to set a little before folding it over. Turn off the heat and let the omelet sit in the pan. Allow the residual heat of the pan to cook the omelet through. Plate up on an iconic plastic plate. Serve it with some toast or fruit, and that's one less meal you have to think about for the day. This is a fairly simple dish, but if your kid is as particular about runny eggs as mine, this might be the egg for you.